Welcome to Domino English Lessons. Welcome back to Domino English Lessons, where we learn English through real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn how to describe people's appearance and talk about family resemblance using simple, everyday English. Now, let's watch Talking About My Mother and Father.
Hello, Sarah. You look happy today.
Yes. I was talking to my mother. She says I look like her when she was young.
Really? How do you look like her?
I have the same brown eyes and long hair. My smile is also like hers. She is tall, slim, and very beautiful. She has long black hair and brown eyes.
That's nice. And what about your father?
My father has short hair and a big nose. I look a little like him too. He is strong and tall. He has short hair and he wears glasses.
It sounds like you look a little like both your mother and father.
Yes, I do. People say I look like my mother, but some features are like my father.